This is the unboxing and assembling of a Dahon folding bike. They're all pretty much the same, all of the little ones. This is one with 20-inch wheels. And it comes in a cardboard box that you might want to save if you ever want to store it or ship it in the future, because it is pretty compact. And there really isn't a whole lot of work to do unboxing a folding bike because it's a folding bike, so it's already folded up for shipping. So you can see there's a lot of packing material on it. And my biggest job is going to be to remove all that stuff from the bike without scratching the paint. I elected to cut the zip ties off, of which there are a couple, and with scissors. And then the cardboard I decided to just rip off with my fingers, because the danger of me, scratching up the paint with a knife versus struggling with my fingers, I figured I might as well just use my hands, and that way I'm not going to damage the paint job. So it unfolds like that. There is a little protective thingy where the main hinge is. So I get it set up, put the kickstand down, and now it is freestanding and easy to work on. Here's the logo reveal. Dahon Piazza. So a good looking bike. I like the pinstripe. And then we fold up the folding handlebar, lock it into place. And then the seat post, there is a cardboard tube at the bottom of the seat post hole that you have to take out right there. That's kind of there to act as a stand while you're setting it up. And then once the seat post is assembled, you can push it all the way through to the bottom. Remove the dork discs off the wheel. I guess those aren't dork discs technically. That's a different part. But one more zip tie holding a protective cover over the brakes. A couple more difficult cardboard things to pull off with my old man fingers. This little rubber pad goes over a magnet, and that magnet attracts itself to the other magnet on the back of it. So when you fold it together, it's held together by a magnet so it doesn't come loose. You can see the brake spring has busted loose there. So I did have to put that brake spring back into place before I could ride the bike. Tear some more cardboard off. And then the cardboard box that came with it comes with a manual, a couple of motivational stickers, and one folding pedal that you're going to have to put on the bike. This is the pedal that goes on clockwise. So you just screw it in clockwise, tighten it up with a wrench. And this is how it folds. So you push it in and then push it down and then lift it back up to put it back into place. Note that the handlebars on this particular model are adjustable. They go up and down. Some models are adjustable and some aren't. This one has a little red dot that tells you the maximum height on it. So there you go. Dahon folding bicycle unboxed.